What's up, guys? Nicholas here, Simon's over there, and we are about to shoot the .22 rifle as I promised. Actually, I didn't promise. I'd say we might have, and oh my god, this is gonna be so cool. You guys are gonna love this. So basically, basically,
where's the car?
Oh, I don't know. Ow, that's loud. So basically, we're gonna shoot the .22 rifle. Oh, that's cool. I was so regretting that. I don't know why I did it. You feel? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, basically, we're gonna shoot the .22 rifle. Woo! It is the best gun. I love this so much. Is it down the aisleway?
What?
I'm gonna check. I'm checking the aisle! Woo! I don't know where it is. Hi, look! We're just all curled up in the hay. Did you make your own bedding? You're so cute. So cute. Oh my god! Yes!
Oh, don't worry, it wasn't diarrhea thing.
Dude, so much. Oh, you're lucky. I literally slid in poop. That's gross. Alright, we are going to hopefully find. Actually, we're gonna get everything set up down in the field down there. However, we're going to get everything set up, and then I will play the video, and you will see us shoot the gun. It is gonna be freaking cool. Okay, so we're gonna get set up in the field after we find everything, and we found the target, guys. Don't worry. But obviously, we've shot at it a few times. There's two papers. There's more gunshots on the other side, on the other paper. But look at the back of this thing. Crazy, right? Crazy. Oh, this is gonna be the best! You guys are gonna love this so much. Alright, see you when we're all ready and set up. Don't forget the headphones. I mean, why not? Why not? You need headphones. Otherwise, your ears are either going to ring or you'll go deaf. So yeah. Okay. So I have both of the earmuffs, and let's get to the field. Guys, we made it to the field! Yeah. It's amazing. It's amazing here, out here. Oh! Nope, just foam. Nope, there's a... I think there's actually dog turd or something. No, me and Corey took actually on a walk out here. I think she went to the bathroom. Oh, God. Okay. So here is the gun.
Stop.
The, what?
You're asking stop?
Yeah.
Seems polished.
Boom.
Don't point it at anybody.
I know.
Check, make sure it's not loaded. Got a bullet?
No.
Okay.
We are going to get this started.
That's a far range target. It's so slippery now.
He just loaded the bullet and now he's ready to fire.
What?
He's talking to the camera.
Yeah.
Should we go in the same order from wherever he was?
Yeah!
Sure.
Middle?
Which one are you, top?
Middle.
Your middle? Okay,
Yeah.
go. Okay. Sure.
Oh yeah, okay. I forgot.
I can see that.
How'd you do? Watch your muzzle.
Hey guys, what's up? Nicholas here. I think it's a bad idea. We've shot a whole bunch of times. But I think it's a bad idea to actually, like, record while they're actually shooting because it's gonna be loud. I'm not even kidding. So I think I got one video with Simon shooting the rifle, and I think that was pretty loud, so I'm just not gonna do it. They're over there right now because Dad was shooting at the log. That's in front of our target, and they're trying to find the bullet because it didn't go quite through the platform that the actual targets are on. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and replay that footage of, I'm gonna replay the footage of when Simon shot the rifle, and I will be right back. So yeah. Okay, as I replayed it, as I replayed the footage, it was low, so alright. The footage, as I replayed it, since the camera makes everything sound super, super low. He shot the log. It makes it sound really, really low. So if you have headphones or earbuds on, make sure to turn the volume down. It might be loud, but I don't know yet. So if not, I'll just put captions saying to turn your volume down. Oh God, it's so big. I'll put in captions to turn the volume down because, seriously, I don't know how loud it's gonna be, but yeah. Now it's my turn to shoot the rifle, and I will be right back after. Okay guys, I decided to shoot at the log, and let's see my results. Oh yeah. Right there. Right at this hole.
All the way through? Probably not.
Probably not. Mine didn't. It went down into it.
Nope. In the log somewhere.
There was a log.
We should cut it open.
That was pretty fun. Yeah, we should.
To find every single bullet.
See how much bullets are going to be.
And my turn.
Yep. Alright, now it's Dad's turn. I don't know what he's going to use. I don't know. Are you using a pistol?
Yeah.
Okay. He's using a pistol. So, I'm not going to film the pistol because it might be a little bit too loud. So, yeah. I won't film him. I'm not gonna film. What? You're going for distance?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm not gonna film him shooting because it's probably gonna be too loud. So I'll see you. Okay, he's done shooting the pistol. He just finished that. He was shooting some Winchester bullets. I don't know. Does he have some left? I don't know. Hang on. And he does not have any left. Well, he was shooting hollow tips, and basically a hollow tip bullet is when it hits something, it'll start to expand immediately. And I think that's pretty cool, to be honest. But they're over there just checking it out. If I can zoom in. Yeah, there they are. This morning was pretty cold, but luckily right now it is warm.
Knock something over on what log?
It's so freaking warm.
You see that?
No. Oh, you're gonna try to knock that off?
Knock those off, yeah.
I gotta try that. Ooh, that Nookjack is gonna be fun. Alright.
Try to film this.
Yeah, I'm gonna film it. I'm just not filming Dad's pistol because it might be a little too loud, so. Yeah. Oh, I got it.
Okay.
No!
Boom, boom.
Okay.
You got it.
Oh, really?
You see him move?
No.
They move.
think you did get it. Oh. Did you get it? I don't know. Alright. You did shoot it! Good job! I think I'm gonna aim for that one. I mean, one of those. Alright. He shot one, so. Yeah. Alright. You are going to see me shoot the rifle in 3, 2, 1. Nico's shooting the rifle, trying to hit one of those logs.
I don't think you got it.
I think I did though. I think it skid the edge.
You thought it skid the edge?
Yeah.
Who knows? I skid the edge. Actually, it was the bottom, but we'll be back. Okay, guys. Our father
Is shooting
gotta
the
try to shoot
rifle.
the yeah. Gonna shoot it again.
Here he goes.
Can't tell if I hit it or not. I was aiming for the one on the right.
Yeah. Simon's loading the gun right now, so I thought I'd... What?
It's already loaded.
Oh. Well, it's already loaded.
Put my headphones on. I'm going for range.
Range?
Yeah.
Alright.
So right about here.
That is pretty close. Alright, we got it. Alright, sorry, you can do this. That was actually pretty loud. Alright, guys.
It's right here.
What?
It's right here.
See that.